up, guys? Haven't done a video in a while, so I thought I'd just do a little update. I put some new shocks on the back of the Camaro. I put some drag shocks on the back because the other ones were just shot. I mean, it was horrible the way that's performing. But these new ones are pretty good, so I'll do a little drive video with you after a while. And I also got to thinking, at 100 subscribers, I want to give away a small block Chevy Gen 1 milling oil pump. It's a high volume oil pump, brand new, and they're valued at about 125 bucks from Summit Racing or Jags, wherever you want to buy from. But I've got a brand new one that I'm going to give away, still in the box. And if you like, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. And once we hit 100 subscribers, I'll pick a winner and I'll ship it right to you. All right, so here's the oil pump we got. It's a Milling Select Performance. It's a 10552 small block Chevy Gen 1 high volume oil pump. And I mean, the box looks a little rough, but it's just been sitting on my shelf for a little while now. I never did use it. I actually bought a different one and put on it, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with this, and it's a great oil pump, brand new. Never did send it back, so I thought, well, I might as well give it away to somebody who might be doing a build too, needs one for their project. It's got the rod and the springs and the bolts and everything that you need to it. Anyways, if that's something you think you'd be interested in, just let me know in the comments below and I'll pick somebody and we'll have a lucky winner, and maybe this will help you out on your project that you have going and get your hot rod running. What's up, guys? We're out here going to cruise the car around a little bit today. I know it's really nasty. Got a lot of dust and pollen on it, but I thought I might get out and blow some of the dust off of it. Do a little countryside ride around video for you. Not too many people out on the roads right now. All the quarantine going on. Curious what kind of hot rods everybody else has got, or if you got one. Just drop in the comments below. Kind of let me know what kind of projects y'all have and what you're working on. I'm thinking about doing maybe a boat restoration video, just a little John boat maybe in the future. Unfortunately, guys, with all those bald eagles screaming down the road right there, it decided to throw my water pump belt off. I happened to look down and my car was like overheating really bad, so I got pulled over and I'm gonna have to traipse down the road and go pick it back up and put it back on the car. But that's the stuff that happens with a hot rod. I'll show you what it looks like. She's gone. It's never happened before, and it was awful tight, so I don't know. I guess it was all those RPMs, I guess. Just threw it off of there, but I'm sure it'll be fine. I'll get it back on here and we'll head back home. Well, I made it back home finally. Went down the road and found the belt laying in the middle of the road. Thankfully, it was just kind of stretched out. It wasn't tore or broke or nothing like that. So I'll have to get a new one, but I was able to get that back on. I didn't have any tools neither, so luckily I just had a little screwdriver with me, and I was able to get the belt rolled back on. And after all that, it fired up fine, and you know, it got pretty hot because that was the water pump belt that fell off. But luckily it didn't do no damage or anything like that. But that's just part of the game, I guess. But anyways, I got the car back home, and it was running real good and everything. So I have to get me a new belt put back on it. But anyways, if you like my videos and my content, don't forget to hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel.